Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a phone case review from a company called Burga. You would have seen by the title, and I just want to say, I'm so sorry that I didn't upload this last Sunday. I was taking a break from social media the last week, just over the festive Christmas period, as social media was getting a bit too much at that moment. So I just thought I would just take a break, and I'm back and I will be doing more videos with you again. So I did want to upload my iPhone 12 Pro unboxing this last Sunday before I did this review, but it just worked out that I didn't manage to film it before the Sunday. So yeah, let's get on to the video. Okay, so for this video I will be working with a company called Burga, and they sent me their phone cases to try out and try it on my phone. I did get a new phone for my birthday this month, and it was the iPhone 12 Pro. They are such a nice company. I absolutely love all their cases, so good. They are amazing quality, and I'll just show you in the next clip what some of these phone cases look like. They have sent me 4 phone cases, and they all come in this velvet bag. They're so high quality. The packaging's so high quality as well. You can see the velvet packaging here, and it says Burga on the front and their logo here. I just love the packaging. It's so high quality and so sleek. Absolutely amazing. So you can see what kind of packaging it is. It's got the little drawstring here, and you can travel with these as well. So it's really nice that they give you these in the package, and obviously if you buy them then you would get them like this, and they would send you the case for it. So if you do travel and you're bringing things on the go, then it won't get scratched up, and it's very nice and protected in the velvet lining. It's kind of like velvet microfiber, I think it's called, and it's so nice. Absolutely love them. I'm going to show you separately the cases. So these are the cases, and this is the case called Reaper's Touch, and I'll just show you the name of it just now. So this is Reaper's Touch just here on the Burga website, and it's exactly the same of what you see on the website. It's definitely high quality, and this is the Reaper's Touch Tough case. So they have 2 kind of cases. They have the Tough case and the Snap cases. This is the Tough case, and I've got 2 Tough cases and 2 Snap cases as well that they sent me. So I did request for this one to be personalised with my initials on it, and as you can see, it is so nice. It's so shiny. You can see it's very high quality. The pattern is so clear, it's not pixelated. Sometimes if it is a picture on the case, then it can be pixelated, but this is very clear. The logo's down at the bottom, and it just gives a really nice classy touch. You can see it's just so nice. It's so shiny, and I love the crocodile kind of print on here. It's so nice. So yeah, this has got my initials in the middle. It says personalise at the bottom here, and you click personalise. You can type in the characters right here, and if you want it small or large, or if you want small normal writing or fancy writing. I chose the more fancier writing, but you can do it like this, like that, and you can see what kind of design you would like, and it definitely looks what you get on the website. It definitely is the same. There's no nasty surprises. Sometimes if you order certain cases on the website, then it might turn up and it might be completely different, but with Burga you absolutely get what you buy and what you see on the website. So this is the first case, is called Reaper's Touch. The buttons, where the placement is for the buttons, are really responsive. I did buy a couple cases from Shein, and the button is so hard to see if you're actually clicking, but with these cases they are so easy to click. they're so responsive. So that is what it's like on the phone. It's got that little lip around the screen, so you can definitely see that it is raised. So if you put your phone down the way, like on the table, it won't scratch your screen because it's got that raised lip. And as well, because it is a tough case, it's got that extra added protection. That is what it's like around the camera. And yeah, on this side, that's the lock button as well. It's got the cutouts for the charger and the speakers, and they're all amazingly placed. Like, I don't have any complaints about this case. It is amazing. So that is Reaper's Touch with the personalised initials. So this one that they sent me as well, I've requested to get my initials on this one as well. It's called Glacial Desert, and that's what it's like on the website. And most of these cases you can definitely choose between tough or snap here. So it gives you the option between tough or snap. So this is Glacial Desert in the tough case, and it has the initials there. I just love the way the initials look on this case. It definitely adds a more expensive touch onto the phone, and I like the colour of this grey. It's so nice. Again, it's very shiny and reflective, as you can see, and yeah, they're exactly the same. They've just got that different design on the back. And yeah, I'll just show you this one on my phone as well. So they're so easy to get on your phone as well, so I'll just show you how to get them off and get them back on. So like, there's not that much struggle at all. But this is so easy to get in and out the case. Like, you just literally snap it in like that, and it's locked in there, like it's not going to come out. So yeah, this is what it looks like with the phone in it, and I absolutely love this case. So this one is one of their snap cases that they sent me. So this one's called Magic Night, and this is what it looks like on the website. But this is the one that you get when you buy Magic Night, and oh my god, can you see that pattern? The marble, it looks like resin kind of design, and I absolutely love this design. It's so sleek and so nice. It hasn't got the cutout for the added protection up here and up here. It's got the spaces for your buttons here, so that it's going to be very responsive for your buttons. And I'll just show you this on the phone as well. That was so simple. It's so easy to get onto the phone. I absolutely love it. And you can see that it doesn't like take away any of the shape of the phone. It is exactly the same. Because it doesn't have the added protection, because it is a snap case, but it's still really nice, lightweight, and it's a really nice case if you want to add a little bit of extra touch to your phone. And this is called Emerald Pool. It's so stunning. I absolutely love this case. It is typically, like I said before, it's not a case I would usually go for, but it's so nice. Like, I love this pattern. It's so nice. Like, if you just want a lightweight case that you want to just have on your phone to add that little extra design, then it's really nice. I would say that I absolutely love this case, and this is what it looks like on the phone. Again, the gold goes really nice with the gold on my phone. No complaints whatsoever. I just love this case. Like, that I would definitely go check out Burga, and definitely recommend. I will leave their social links down below in the description, and I will leave their website down below as well, so you can go check them out. And yeah, so that is the end of the review, and I hope you enjoyed this review. Definitely let me know if you check out Burga, and please remember to like and subscribe to this channel. Like this video and subscribe to my channel if you like these videos, and yeah, follow me on Instagram. My handle will be right here, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.